I really like the idea of giving every single student in the school a chance to come to the vending machine and tying it to their positive behavior. I had a parent reach out to me and administration and say that her son got to go to the vending machine and he chose to read his book over playing video games. So that felt really huge.
You get to read it, you try your best to read it, and then when you like it, you say, I just want to read more.
It makes people want to read more because you pick it out and it's it comes out of a vending machine, which most vending machines don't do.
There's so many other things that compete for their attention that I think that a book vending machine is big and exciting enough that maybe it can compete with the tablets and the video games, at least for a little while.
Read the book and look at my tags and remember how this really changed me as a reader in the 5th grade.
We are Gattis Elementary.
And this is a classroom close-up.